Everyone thinks the best-selling handheld steamer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, High Life Portable Steamer. First up, we have the High Life Steamer for clothes. It's priced at just $24.96 and has already caught the attention of over 10,000 buyers in the past month. If you want a reliable way to keep your clothes wrinkle-free at home or while traveling, this is worth a serious look. What I really liked about this steamer is its strong 700-watt power, which means it heats up quickly and produces long-lasting steam. With a 240-milliliter water tank, you get about 15 minutes of continuous steaming, which is great for those last-minute touch-ups. The 9-foot power cord really sold me too. You can iron from a distance without feeling tethered. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The gentle but effective steam works well on a variety of fabrics, from silk to cotton, so whether you're prepping for a meeting or a date night, you won't have to worry about wrinkled clothes. Just remember, it's designed for 110, 120-volt outlets, so keep that in mind if you're traveling internationally. However, some users mentioned that the steam can sometimes take a little while to build up. Here's the thing though. If you're patient and allow it to heat, the results are pretty impressive, making it a minor issue for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, travel-friendly steamer that gets the job done. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty steamer for professional use, but for everyday needs, it's a solid choice. Now, if the High Life's power capacity is something you're worried about,
Product number 2, OG Home Portable Travel Steamer. Next up is the OG Home Portable Travel Handheld Steamer, which you can grab for just $26.94. With over 10,000 recent sales, it's definitely making waves. If you want a steamer that heats up quickly and handles a wide range of fabrics, this is a great pick. One feature that really stands out is its impressive 1,000-watt power, allowing it to heat up in just 20 seconds. That means you can tackle wrinkles almost instantly, which is a lifesaver when you're in a rush. The water tank is easy to refill, making it user-friendly for both home and travel. This matters for you because many steamers can struggle with tougher fabrics, but the OG Home can easily handle chiffon, silk, and even heavier materials like wool and cotton with its strong penetrating steam. Plus, it's designed for 110 to 120 volts, so just a heads up if you plan to take it abroad. However, a few reviews pointed out that it can leak if overfilled. Honestly, this can be a bit frustrating, but as long as you follow the fill line, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel and want a reliable steamer that heats up fast. Skip this one if you aren't comfortable managing water levels, but for most users, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list is another High Life model that offers a bit more in terms of design.
Product number 3, High Life Compact Handheld Steamer. Now, let's talk about another High Life model, the portable handheld design. While we don't have a price listed, it's still a popular choice, with 10,000 units sold recently. If you want a compact yet powerful steamer, this deserves your attention. It also comes with a 700-watt motor, similar to the previous High Life, and it features a 240-milliliter tank for up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming. One of the things I appreciated is the 8.5-foot power cord, giving you plenty of freedom to move around. Why does this matter? The steam is strong enough for a variety of fabrics, ensuring you can tackle everything from your delicate blouses to linen shirts without a hitch. Just like the last model, it's also limited to 110 to 120 volts, which is crucial to remember for international travelers. Now, some users did mention it can be a bit bulky compared to other travel steamers. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something ultra compact, this might not be the best fit. However, in terms of performance, it's still a great buy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable steamer that can handle different fabrics at home. Skip this if you need a truly travel-sized option, but it's a solid choice for everyday use. Now, if the High Life's bulkiness concerns you, don't worry. The next product is designed to be ultra compact and travel-friendly.
Product number 4, Conair Turbo Extreme Steamer. Let's move on to the Conair Handheld Garment Steamer, which is in a different league at an undisclosed price,
but has garnered a lot of positive attention with over 8,000 units sold recently. If you want a steamer that combines both iron-like performance and steam power, this is worth considering. The Turbo Extreme steamer packs a punch with a heat-up time of just 40 seconds and a water tank that holds 7.3 ounces to provide up to 20 minutes of steam. What's impressive is the included 3-in-1 attachment system, allowing you to tackle any fabric situation with ease. Why does this matter? The combination of strong steam and an iron-like plate means you can achieve that freshly pressed look without pulling out a full-sized iron. The versatility here is fantastic for anyone who needs quick results. However, I did find some reviews noting that it can be heavy after prolonged use. This might be a deal breaker for those who are looking for something lightweight, but if you can manage it, the performance is top-notch. This is perfect for you.
So, to wrap it up, we've explored the High Life and OG home steamers that cater to different needs, whether you're looking for basic functionality or something a bit more powerful. The Conair model stands out for heavy-duty use, while the OG Home 2-in-1 shines for traveler's best,